This is the exact trade that made me over $15,000 across 900 accounts. Now, obviously, analysis shared previously before the move happened on my Discord, and let's get right into the breakdown. So as we can see, price pulls into our 50-minute demand zone on gold, right? We saw gold had a huge drop during Asia session. We can see as soon as Asia market opened, it wicked up, and from there on, it just moved down instantly. It did react from the supply as well on that 50-minute wick. Now, what I saw coming was like, okay, there's either gonna be a big move up, right? We can either see a big move up, which is what happened, or we're gonna decline all the way to 32.90, which obviously was another 300 pips. So I was either like, okay, we're gonna play this demand, or we're gonna short after this demand fails. Now, what happened? Price came into my demand. It gave a very kind of fast chalk flip, right? It was just this. Now, obviously, if that wasn't good enough, obviously you have the break of structure. And from the break of structure, there was also a retest, and on the retest there was a chalk flip as well. So there was two entries possible. I entered on both, and you can see right here the first trade was about 7.4 R. Another one was 8.27 R. It did hit full TP. Let me show you guys real quick. So this was across obviously 900 accounts. Now the reasoning why I took TP at this high was because we had a supply zone right here. This is our first supply zone, and I was like, obviously there's also a supply zone here. Now what are the odds of, you know, the reaction from here that it would actually come down? Now obviously it did go a little bit higher, which is obviously fine, but from there on price did completely retrace back to the downside. So this is always something that I say, I'd rather hit TP fast like this, and I'd rather miss out on an extra few R than not hit TP at all. So yeah, that was a trade that made me $50,000. That's how simple it is. Like, comment, whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next one.